Hi guys, back again with another video. This time I'll be showing you guys how to make some jumbo muffins. My mom always goes to the bakery and gets these big blueberry muffins, so yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to make that. Hi guys, so this recipe is super simple to make. Right now I have the oven preheating at 450 degrees. Into my bowl I'm going to sift in 1 3/4 cups of flour. Now half a cup of sugar. 3 teaspoons of baking powder, about half a teaspoon of salt, also half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So for the mix-ins, I'm just using 1 cup of blueberries. You can use anything you want here, but I'm just using blueberries because that's my mom's favorite. So you can put strawberries, nuts, chocolate, anything you want. So into the bowl, I'm putting half a cup of buttermilk, but you could use any milk you want here. Also going in is 1 egg, 6 tablespoons of applesauce. You could also use oil here or even butter, but I don't even have butter. Also about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's it for the batter. All you gotta do is mix it around, don't over mix it. Gently fold them. It's gonna be super thick, which is pretty good. You could really substitute all of these ingredients and bang, you don't wanna over mix this or it's just gonna be so firm. As the oven's preheating, I'm just lining my muffin tray. I just want to see the difference between the parchment paper and the cupcake cups between the tops of the muffins. Now I'm just gonna spoon the batter into the cups. Now what I'm doing here is just spreading the tops around so it's nice and even. Now you just want to bake these in the middle rack for 12 minutes at 450. After it bakes for 450 at 12 minutes, now you just want to drop it to 350 and bake it for 12 minutes and they should be done. They are looking nice and poofy. Ooh, look at that. Guys, after they've had a little bit of time to cool, now they are fully ready to eat. Bam. Oh shit.
Oh Jesus.
That's a blueberry.
This is serious.
This is a blueberry muffin.
Holy.
What the?
Oh, this is serious. I'm set. 50,000 on my. That's disrespect.
Get a little cross section here. Oh shoot, he just went right in.
No, I was biting this little thing. Dang. Dang, this looks serious, bro.
Oh baby. Oh baby.
Dang. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside.
Dang, look how fluffy they are. Super fluffy.
It's a blueberry.
Yeah. You got that nice browning on top. Still super fluffy and moist. If I had coarse sugar, bro,
Oh.
I would have put it on top. I think the fluffiness.
Yeah, it's mad soft. That's solid.
Heck yeah. Get that milk. That's how you make these super simple and easy jumbo muffins. You can honestly use whatever kind of ingredients you want in there. Oh shoot.
If you like the video.
If you like that video, make sure you like that video.
Make sure you like the video.
Like that video. Make sure you guys comment below what else you guys want us to make. We're not done making 3. We're about to make 18 more, so.
Muffin. Oh yeah, okay. This is better than the one you will get your butt that is so sweet. Very good.
기분 좋은 설레임 운동의 끈을 메고서 떠나는 내 뒷모습 초라해 보이지만 바람은